Today we will be creating a field with tulips. First, start by masking off the edges with washi tape. With a pencil, draw a hill in the middle of your paper. Don't make it too high because you need space for your clouds, trees, and bushes. Next, draw a curve on the right and another on the left. Add bumps. Skip a space on the left hill for a pathway. In the left and right middle of the big hill, draw curved lines for another pathway. Next, let's draw half an oval behind the right bush and put bumps on it. Now it's a tree. Next, add ovals for tulips in the bottom of your paper. Make a pathway on the left hill and add another bush behind the tree. Add bumps. Draw a huge curve from the left hill to the right tree. It's actually a cloud. Add bumps to this shape too. Next, add stems to your tulip ovals. Make a triangle behind the left hill and middle bush. Lastly, draw reversed Ys inside the ovals to turn them into tulips. To clean it up, erase the smooth curved lines under all the shapes that have bumps, except for the left hill. Now let's paint. Make sure you have your water, paint, towel, and brush ready. Always start with the back, which is the sky. Make a border around the cloud and edges of your paper before filling in the rest of the space. Next, starting with the left hill, paint the top half yellow-green. Do the same for the big hill below. Afterwards, paint the bottom half of both hills with regular green. Make sure you go around the tulips. For your pathway, use yellow ochre. It is darker than regular yellow. Again, go around the tulips. The bush on the right is regular yellow. The tree is regular green. Let's give our cloud a shadow too. Dip your brush in the blue paint and squeeze it into another part of your palette. Dilute it with more water. Then go ahead and use it to color the bottom half of the cloud. Now you are done painting. Wash and put away your supplies while your painting dries. It's time to use color pencils. First, use light blue to color the mountain in the background. Don't forget to protect the edges of your shape. Next, use green on the little bumps on the left hill. Make an inside shadow for the tree and block it with green too. Color the bottom half of your yellow bush with mango. Now color the outer part of the middle bush with red-orange. Then use mahogany to color the inner half. Use red-orange again for the top of the tulips. Regular red for the right side and then mahogany for the left side. Use green for the stems. Add groups of 3 strokes over the field for grass texture. Lastly, peel the washi tape for a nice clean border. And there you have it! Good job, artist!